Hello fam, welcome to Net Online YouTube channels. Today tutorial we are going to focus on how to monetize your YouTube video. I will not take long. Let's simply imagine you already upload your videos and you are on this phase right here. So if you are on this interface, first thing is details. So details, you can fill all this stuff, but since you are new, what you gotta do, you go direct into monetization right there and then click. You have to click this. So you're gonna see two options right here. We have on and off. On is to monetize your videos and off is to demonetize your video. So if you are somebody who already been accepted, what you gotta do, you have to click on. So you can click on and then you click on and then you click done, right? Just like that. So the next move is going direct into ad suitability. In ad suitability, we go down, we have to read some stuff. There are things that you need to understand here. You have to read all this because these are very important, they're very crucial, okay? Because if you mess up with one of these, your YouTube will not, your video will be demonetized and you can have a strike on your YouTube videos. So what you gotta need, does your video content title, description, or keyword contain any of the followings? All right, your description or your titles or your content, which is videos. Do you have any all these things which are being put down below, like inappropriate language, adult content, violent, choking content, harmful or dangerous acts, recreational drug content, enabling dishonest behaviors, hateful and derogatory content, firearm related contents, sensitive events, controversial issues, and so on. So if you are somebody having all of this, it is the right time that you tell YouTube's team, yes, I have them. But if you don't have all of this, all you gotta do is simply click none of the above. Like you right now, what I could suggest, if you know that your video do not have all these requirements which are not accepted by the YouTube, you can simply click none of the above. Then after you complete that, you need to go direct again. You are on the same page right here. All you gotta do is scroll up and then look for this how you rated your video overall, like submitting rating. You can submit rating for safety, like it says safe for ads, because sometimes if your video is not appropriate for the viewers, the ads will not be shown on your YouTube videos. So this way is one way. So the next move, we have to click submit rating. You click submit rating just simply to allow YouTube to check your video for any copyright. Okay, so you are telling them that my video is safe. Okay, and then after you're done rating your video, we are still on the process. So it will first check your videos, and then after checking, you will see it will tick this. Okay, the next move is click video elements. Okay, now I think you can see that it is ad suitability. It is already done. Okay, your ad suitability questionnaire is locked since you have submitted your rating. Ad suitability will mean that your video is served, but not yet, because there is something here that you have to understand. We have checking 0%, one. It said after 20 minutes left, or after 20 minutes, and then the YouTube will tell you that your video is served or not. So from there, you wait a couple of minutes for YouTube to show you or to send you a message that your video is fine, or there's no issue. Okay, let's move on. You go to video element, you add all these ads and so on. If you have ad subtitle, okay, you can add, like mine, I will put this thing. Okay, if I want to edit timing, I can edit, but I want the YouTube to script, to get the title, the subtitle from what I'm talking about. So I will simply click done. Okay, you can see right here the next move a little bit. Okay, so right here we have to go direct into add any screens. Add any screen, you click add. Okay, add any screen because I need my viewers to get my next video. I have to suggest for them another video which they can watch. I have to click elements and then video. The same thing, you can do it. Okay, choose a specific video. Since this video is all about, I can just do anything. Let me simply say how to make a thumbnail. This should be my end screen. You can see it right there. I can even add another one if I want to, a video again, and then I will click choose a specific video, and then I will simply look for any, okay, how to get photo out, then watch out. So I can add more. Now I'm done. I don't have to do anything from there. What I can do next is simply trying to make this short, I mean their appearance. I will give them a few seconds, just like that. So I can simply click save, and then while we are waiting for checking, what we're going to do now, we go to checks. So now it is still under process. So we go to visibility. Since this video is not yet being accepted by the YouTube, what I'm going to do right now, I will put it under this unlisted, because we have three option when we want to publish something. We have private, all right. Let me put this in here. We have a private, we have unlisted, and okay, here we have private, unlisted, and this thing member only, let's say it, because this channel has already been monetized. We have public. I can allow only people that I select, or those who already subscribe to my YouTube can be the one watching my videos, but I want to make it as public. You can put public, and then you can also schedule this. You can also schedule that. Oh, sorry guys. Okay, you can schedule it, like scheduling the video, whether you can publish it tomorrow, next tomorrow, or in a few hours, just depending on what you want to do. So, but for me, since this video is still under checking, what I will do, I will put it under unlisted, because I do not want any something which can affect my YouTube. I will put it as unlisted because I want to make sure that I do not have a copyright strike. So I go direct to visibility and then save my videos. Okay, right there. Right here you have you can understand that there is a lot of way to do that, but this is the only way you can monetize your YouTube videos. So if you are somebody, you have any question, please just drop your comment down there and learn from the base. All you gotta do is just simply teaching one another how to do things. So right there, it is still checking. You can see that it is still checking. When it is complete, let's just wait a couple of minutes, and then let me refresh it. Okay, let me refresh that. We have okay, still checking. After it complete, okay, then you can publish it. So this is what I do for all the videos. I first check whether there's a copyright or anything, and then after that I upload it. So this is how, or I publish it. This is how I make my video. So you can also follow the same way to monetize your video for the first time if you are new. All right. Please, if this is your first time to visit this channel, please thumb up, subscribe, follow, and then share it with friends. Okay, you can even comment, negative, positive, all of them are useful. I just want to show people what I know. That's it. I do not have any more information. So please, thank you for watching, and bye bye. But I want you guys to see how these things work, because it could also take 2 hours, 1 hour, okay, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes. Okay, it say that it's still, like, you can read it from there. Say here, our ad suitability check is still running. This usually takes less than 20 minutes. The monetization status will be shown, and ad can start running when the check is complete. So this is what it will tell you, because it has to check your video for any copyright. So it is very important that you put it as unlisted instead of publishing it immediately. So here, all right, after you complete, but because I know that my YouTube video do not have any copyright or anything, all right, what I will do, I will simply publish it, because I believe myself. I believe the video is normal. Okay, there's nothing bad there. It's all about showing people, okay, what to do. So I will simply publish this video just like that. So there, when monetization check is done, you will see that it's green, like all this video that you are seeing. Anyway, yeah, thank you guys, thank you for watching. This is Noor Online. Bye bye. God bless you for watching.